What is the most advanced robot around today? Honda Motor Corporation's Asimo has been dubbed the world's most advanced robot, but is that really the case? Honda Motor Corporation's Asimo, with its humanoid appearance and ability to walk and climb stairs, has been dubbed the world's most advanced robot. Yet during the crisis at the Fukushima nuclear power plant, there was surprise that this triumph of Japanese robotic engineering wasn't applied in the reconnaissance and cleanup operation. Instead, US-made military robots were drafted in. Perhaps that's because Asimo is primarily a PR device whose ultimate function is in domestic settings or helping the elderly. Elsewhere, researchers at Carnegie Mellon University have created one of the world's most sophisticated snake-like robots, and a team at the University of California at Berkeley is working on robots the size of insects. While Asimo's walking is undoubtedly impressive, robotic snakes and bugs can reach parts that Asimo can't. So, a robot's sophistication should really be measured against the tasks it's been designed to perform. Fanuc unveils world's strongest robot. Fanuc has launched the strongest robot in the world, the M2000 1700 liters. The highly flexible M2000 1700L robot appears to defy gravity, with the ability to lift and position entire car bodies effortlessly. Servicing a variety of manufacturing industries, the robot can perform both simple and complex tasks, lifting payloads of up to a staggering 1.7 tons and a reach of up to 4.7 meters to increase operating freedom. The robot's 6 axes and strong IP7 protected wrist makes it an agile weightlifter, moving and placing objects within a large defined working area to an extremely high degree of precision. The M2000 1700L automates areas of heavy material handling, lowering the risk of damage to production material, reducing running costs, and improving overall cycle times and workflow. Chris Sumner, Vice President of Fanuc Europe and Managing Director, Fanuc UK said, "We identified a need to increase the efficiency of the heavy materials handling process for manufacturers, specifically within the automotive industry. As the world's strongest robot, the Fanuc M2000 1700L brings us into a new age, redefining factory automation capabilities.